Alright, I thought I would show you guys real quickly what I did to clean out my VANOS solenoid valve body. I was getting ready to do the VANOS system solution and just doing a little bit more last bit reading online. And seeing some people have been taking their solenoid valve bodies off, and one or two of the, it seems like some of them are seized up or some are getting stuck or whatever. Sounds like some people are soaking them in gasoline, and I don't know if that's helping or not, but I talked to Raj from VANOS Systems, and he kind of gave me a little bit of insight into what he's been doing to just kind of, I don't know, preventive cleaning or whatever. So just kind of thought I'd show you what I did. So here's my valve body, and when I first took it off, of course, there's a lot of oil all over the place. Here's the holes where the oil is coming through. I guess it's coming through. I would suspect that's the it's either going in or out, but more than likely it's coming out of these holes to give the appropriate amount of oil pressure into the VANOS unit to do its magic. So what I did, first thing I did is I took my valve body and just took my regular old brake cleaner and went into each hole and just sprayed brake cleaner in each hole. And as I did so, some of them were closed, some of them were open, and you do see oil, you do see the brake cleaner coming out of this hole here. And so that's the first step that I did. The next step is I wanted to make sure that the valves were working properly. So I got my tray magnet, and it takes a decently strong magnet to actuate the valves, but this is the one that I used, and it just so happens that it worked sufficiently enough. And then what I did is I took the magnet and I held it up against the cylinder, and what you hear is the valve opening and closing. Now when I first did this, when I took it off the car, it did that very poorly. Now, after cleaning it up nice and good, you hear it works very well. So the next step in my cleaning, was I put the magnet on the solenoid to open it up, held it in place, and then just sprayed additional fluid in the hole. And after opening it up some, you'll notice that, of course it doesn't do it here because it's clean, but you'll notice some oil will come out and so forth. Anyway, just thought that I would pass this along to anybody that was interested to see how this works. This is actually what's happening. So that's what I did. Hopefully that can be of use to somebody out there. And I guess I'm going to continue on and get this thing all back together and hope it works.